So I quickly want you to have a look at this video. I saw it at a restaurant yesterday. This is a product video which looks very refreshing, very cool, very smooth, and kinda makes me feel hungry. Now look at this video which my real estate agent sent me.
You feel. Send natural light pours through oversized windows into a ready.
This is a property tour but also a product explainer which is telling me all the details about the property, and it kinda looks very premium and smooth. And lastly, this one I saw on Instagram yesterday.
We have been standing in this line for 40 minutes in direct sun. Hands down, the best thing in my bag. I'm never leaving home without it in summer.
This is a UGC raw ad about some portable fan and kind of gives me a genuine user review about the product. You might have also seen these kind of videos around your day many a time. And this is because these are the kind which works very well as per their use cases. The product video showcases the product in the best possible way. The explainer video helps me understand it better. And finally, the ad videos helps converting customers. Now for any business to make these, you need an editor, motion graphic designer, and sometimes a videographer. And all of this can cost thousands of dollars. But what and you might have also noticed that all these 3 videos were AI generated. And the good part here is that they are still performing well. And what that means is the cost went down and the number of iteration, number of ads, and ultimately the number of customers went up. But even in order to make these videos, you need to know the exact workflow, else you'll end up generating AI slop. And to help you out here, today we'll be learning exactly this in this AI video making masterclass. But for all of you who are new here, this is a series called Runnable Academy in which we are teaching the best ways in which you can use AI for your businesses. This is the second episode from the series. We already did our website making masterclass, and if you find this valuable, please consider subscribing. Okay, back to work. But before we begin, let's select the best possible video model and image models for our today's task. So we'll just go to the personalization tab. We'll select Seedance 2.0 for video model and GPT image 2 for the image model. Now, this video is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we'll be making the product video. In part 2, we'll be making the explainer videos. And finally, in part 3, we'll be making the AI UGC videos. Starting with part 1. Now, for our use case, let's select the product video which we saw in the intro, that is the burger. You can select the product you have, and to make this, the step 1 is uploading product images. Upload as many as you can for better accuracy, and in case you also have the logo, then please upload it. But if your product, like in our case, is something that could be generated using AI, then you can do that too. Let's generate the images of some tasty looking burgers. So for generating images, instead of just throwing random words, we'll generate some structured prompts. So we'll open another window, open Ask Mode in it, and select any of the best model. And now ask for a prompt to generate your product image. Let's ask for generating some fresh looking burgers in white background so the complete focus is on burger. And also here, let's ask for generating 4 images. Going back to agent, pasting the prompt. And since Runnable generates all the images in Canvas, all our 4 images will be generated in parallel. So we need not to wait for the first image to complete to get the 4th image. Here we have it. This looks really clean. And now just dropping this image back to the Ask mode, and let's generate a product mockup. Now a product mockup is nothing but a chart having a top, bottom, left and right shot of the product, which will help us to maintain accuracy while generating videos. So let's just ask for a prompt for a product mockup, copying prompt, pasting it back with the product image, and here we have it. So our product mockup is ready and it's time for video generation. Back to the Ask mode. Now for getting the prompt, just share your use case about how you want to show this video. Like in our case, we want to show this as a product video in UI, as a display video, and also that could be shared on social media. So we want it to be fast-paced, smooth, and what idea I have in my mind is somehow showing the journey of making burger, and that will somehow create hunger and at the same time will give a very fresh looking vibe. Dropping this idea and asking for a prompt, and let's ask for generating 4 videos. Okay, so we have the prompt, just copy it, paste it, and let's wait for the video generation. Now again, similar to images, the videos are also generated in the canvas. That means all the 4 will be generated in parallel, and once those are generated, you can also edit them then and there in the canvas. Okay, so we have the videos. Honestly, I haven't expected that they'll look this good in the first try. And now quickly, let's also ask for generate 2 different kind of videos. One is to show offer, say buy one get one free, and one to show the options of burgers we have, like let's say our top 5 burgers. So taking all these 2 prompts, pasting it back, and asking for again 2 generations of each. Okay, here we have them. Perfect. Now in the same chat you can ask for more similar videos or videos in different aspect ratio. Let's ask for a video in 1:1. Yep, we have it. So now this chat is completely optimized to generate any kind of videos for our specific product. Okay, so we are done with the product videos. You can do the same for any kind of product you have. May it be a sauce, a phone cover, may it be a keychain. In fact, same could have been done for the Logan Paul's Prime drink, or maybe for Feastables. So just drop down in the comments if you have any wild ideas, and we'll pick up the best one and provide you free credits to generate that. Okay, moving on to part 2, that is the explainer videos. Now these kind of videos can be very helpful in cases where you want to explain your product, the features, the details. For example, as we spoke about the real estate, in which you need to explain the property, the perks. So we'll generate exactly that. Now the step 1 remains the same. Upload the property images, and again as many as possible. And in fact, you don't have very high quality images, then you can ask for image enhancement. Or let's say if it's just a 3D art as of now, then you can upload that and ask Runnable to generate multiple angles. Now in our case, since it's a real estate property, we need to provide as much detail as possible. For example, the property size, the location, the perks it has, like a supermarket nearby, a pool, a gym, and everything. So it can give the prompt for generating consistent images for all of these. So let's attach the property image and ask for a prompt generation for product mockup. Okay, so here we got the prompt. Let's paste it back, and here we got all the images. Now this is done. Going back to the ask mode, and let's ask for an explainer video. Now an explainer video involves a script, some description, also a voiceover. So we'll tell our objective, like we need to send this video to client for explaining the property. It should be very smooth, look very premium, and give a very accurate property too with a clear voiceover. We get the prompt, going back to video generation, pasting the prompt and asking it to use the reference images. Within a few minutes, we have the output ready, and this one looks okay, but personally I would want it to also show some kind of text. And here we have the final output. Now this one looks very good and honestly helps me understand everything about the property. Now one more thing that you can do is convert all of this into a skill. So now you can just upload a property image and your final video will be generated like this one. Here we have it. Just add it to the skills. Now every time by pressing / and writing the name of skill, you can use it. Similar can be done for any of your product. May it be a mobile phone like you might have seen on Amazon. All this could be done using this skill or following this workflow. And now we have the product video, the explainer video, and now it's time for part 3, that is UGC ads. Brands are using a lot of these for performance marketing because these are bringing real conversions. And it's not just brand, even the people who are doing dropshipping are running these ads. Now to make them, the step 1 is creating a model. Now depending on your target audience and product, you can generate your model. In our case, the product is a portable fan and the target audience is anyone between 20 to 50 years of age. So we'll generate a Gen Z model of 23 years of age. So going to the ask mode, asking for a prompt to generate a raw and photorealistic image. And since it's UGC video, she should be at a very raw living room setup. Taking my prompt, copying it, going to the agent mode and asking for 5 different models. Now here we have all 5 and I think this one looks perfect for our product. Locking her, going back to the ask mode, let's ask for 5 different avatars of her, 5 different locations so we can test 5 ads. And all these are almost perfect, but in case you need any edit, just click on edit. Let's change her clothes. Okay, here we have them. Now it's time to give our product to all of them. And for this, we'll also generate a product markup. Perfect. Now we have the product, we have the models, and it's time for the video. So we'll go to the ask mode, upload a final model, upload a final product, ask for a very raw UGC style video. But a better way, what I think is, let's generate a skill for creating UGC videos, because every time doing this is a little tedious. So we'll make a skill using which we need to upload just product image, the model image and the script, and we'll get the video ready. So quickly going to the skills tab, create a new skill, share our problem statement and ask for a solution. And for more precision, I'll go to the ask mode, generate a detailed prompt, pasting it to the skills. Here we have the skill, adding it back and done. Now going to the agent mode /UGC ad, and now just attaching the image of a product, image of a model, and the script which we generated from the ask mode, and let's just hit run. Okay, here we have our generations.
I waited 15 minutes in a parking lot with zero shade. This was in my car door, costs basically nothing, and it charges through USB. It's not this hot for no reason. I was about to lie down on the sidewalk until I clicked this on.
Some of them are good, some looked a little robotic, so we'll ask for a few more. Let's make our scripts also a little different, and let's upload images of 5 models so we can test more. Okay, finally here we have them, and now using this skill we can generate as many as we want in very less time. Okay, so we are done with the product video, the explainer video, the UGC ads. Now these were just 3 examples. You can generate any kind of videos following similar workflow and use them across your websites, across your performance ads, across your displays, and anywhere you want. So this was all for the AI video making masterclass. See you next time.